Hey everyone, this is Farz, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove very complex background using Aiarty Image Matting. This tool is specially designed for advanced AI-based background removal, and it works amazingly well with hair, fur, transparent object, and difficult edges. First of all, you need to download and install the software. You'll find the download link in the video description. And here is the bonus. You'll get up to 40% discount on the lifetime license. So definitely check that out. I've already installed the software, so let's open it. After opening Aiarty Image Matting, you will see a very clean and simple interface. On the right side, you will find all the image settings and AI options, and at the bottom, you will see all the imported images. Everything is very easy to understand even if you are a beginner. To import images, you have a few options. You can drag and drop your images here. You can click on the add button or click the arrow icon to import files. I'm selecting 3 images and all of them have very complicated backgrounds. Let's see how well Aiarty handles them. Let's start with the first image. As you can see, this image has a lot of complex edges. If you try to remove this background manually, it will take a lot of time and effort. So let's let AI do the hard work. On the right side, the first thing you need to select is the hardware. Choose this based on your system. Next is the AI model section. Aiarty offers 4 different AI models, is optimized for different types of images. If you click on the question mark icon, you will get a complete guide showing which AI model is best for which type of photo, the strength and accuracy of each model. So based on your image, choose the recommended model. Now you can enable high precision model. This gives you more accurate results, but it may take a little longer to process. And then in the edit section, you have several useful options. Upscale your image up to 2x, which is great for low resolution photos. I'm keeping it at 1x for now because I don't want to increase the resolution here. You can rotate or flip your image, and you can crop your image easily from here. Very handy tools all in one place. And then in the area select section, you can detect objects automatically using AI or manually select objects if there are multiple subjects. Below that, you will find refinement options. You can experiment with these to get even more accurate edges if needed. Once everything is set, click on the start button and wait for the AI to process the image. And it's done. Look at the before and after. The result is super accurate without doing anything manually. Let's zoom in and check the details. You can zoom in and out using your mouse scroll, and the edges looks really clean. But I guess in this area they missed it. So we want to fix this. So now let's look at the tools on the left side. So the first one is Move tool. You can move your subject or background by using this, and then the Eraser tool. You can remove unwanted areas from the selection. And then the Brush tool. You can add missing parts back, which I want to do right now. So select your brush, adjust the brush setting and strength, and paint over the area you want to include just like this. This gives you full manual control when needed. And look at this. Here is the before and after. You also have dodge and burn tools for fine adjustments. Now let's jump into the effects panel on the right side. You can add a solid color background, or you can use gradients, and also you can import your custom background image. But now I am going with a solid color background. And look at this. Here is the before and after. It looks clean and professional. Now to export, go to the export settings, choose the format and quality. Select your export location and click export, and you are done. Now let's try another image. This one is even more complicated because of the hair details. Select the AI model and settings just like before, then click start. And here is the result. Honestly, this is impressive. The hair details are handled really well. It looks really good. Let's add a background again. From the background option, you can upload your custom background. I'm going with this one. You can move and resize both the subject and background to get the perfect frame with the Move tool. And now let's enable background blur. And look at this. Here is the before and after. It looks really good. You can also adjust the feather option to soften the edges and make everything blend naturally. This software can be a game changer for your workflow if you work with portraits, product photos, hair or fur details or transparent objects. So that's it. Go to the link in the video description, download, install and enjoy the Aiarty Image Matting to remove your complex background. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, leave your comments and don't forget to subscribe.